The fall of a Nighthawk, an unseen battle. Imagine a jet that could evade radar detection. The Nighthawk was believed unstoppable. This aircraft, a marvel of stealth technology, seemed destined to rule the skies. But one infamous night it was shot down, challenging perceptions and technology itself. Was it strategy, luck, or a flaw? On March 27, 1999, during the Kosovo conflict, the unthinkable happened. A Serbian missile locked onto a Nighthawk. How did a fleeting detection lead to a precise strike? This event remains a pivotal case study in military strategy, revealing the complex interplay between technological superiority and tactical ingenuity. Even the most advanced technology isn't infallible. The shootdown was a result of meticulous enemy observation and analysis. By exploiting predictable flight paths and leveraging dated but effective radar, the Serbs turned the Nighthawk's strengths into weaknesses, demonstrating that overconfidence can be a critical error in warfare. This incident teaches invaluable lessons about warfare dynamics. It stresses the importance of adaptability, understanding enemy tendencies, and not underestimating seemingly obsolete technologies. For students of military strategy, it underscores that victory requires more than advanced weaponry. It demands adaptability and foresight in every mission. This story of the Nighthawk challenges us to question and learn from the past. Share this video with fellow students interested in military history or strategy. Dive deep into how technology and human acumen shape the battlefield. Subscribe for more such insights to sharpen your understanding of modern warfare.